Good day guys, G63 B style body kit. It's front bumper, rear bumper, all the big wide fender flares. Grill also included, as well as the headlamp covers, plate holders, all that extensions for the side fender flares, all that small inserts inside the bumper on the side, on the corners here, then the LEDs, reflectors in the back. Okay, this covers as well, complete set. These are the LEDs here. All the brackets, covers, and other circle LEDs. This is the covers for the circle LEDs. This is inserts for the covers to hold the LEDs in place. Okay, that's a complete package, complete set. Parking sensor holders is also there. High quality PP plastic. Okay.